In rugby, Kenya Commercial Bank won the Prinsloo Sevens title in Nakuru after beating hosts Nakuru. That is 26 points to 10. Moses Wakhisi captured the sights and sounds of the event that seems to attract a huge following from the rugby enthusiasts. Take a look.
Day one. Obviously a fake priest getting ready to officiate a marriage that will last for 48 hours during the Prinsloo Sevens.
I do. For richness and for poor. Yeah.
To many, this marked the beginning of a fun-filled weekend in Nakuru. But not everyone needed a wedding to be at the part of the company of their loved ones. With the rugby extravaganza on the pitch, some rugby hype fanatics had no clue of the game, but they were clearly welcomed in Nakuru.
Unajua hivyo ndio pole wataendelea wakijua vile game inaendelea. Sasa tunataka mafans kama hao sana wakuje wengi.
Beside the action-packed games on the field, of the pitch business was a level best.
Pesa inaingia kwa sababu tunauziaga kama portion kama hii, kwetu tunauzaga 600, lakini kama hii tunauza 800 hapa.
All said and done, the tie achieved its objective.
Sports car hizi zinatunganisha sika wa Kenya. Unaona azileti utengano ati tunatengana kulingana na kabila na nini. Kila mtu akikuja hapa ni Mkenya na sasa hiyo ndo inatufurahisha sana.
For those who missed the action on the pitch, KCB cruised to victory with a 26-10 scoreline past Nakuru. Moses Wakhisi, KTN Sports.